Lancaster table and seating Bellman cart is the perfect solution for transporting luggage and garment bags in hospitality environments. To assemble the Bellman cart, place the baseboard upside down and screw in the two swivel casters. Make sure the casters are on the side with the two holes closest to each other. The two stationary casters should be on the other side. Use a wrench to fasten them in place. Leave a large corner hole open on each caster to install the handles. Put two metal circles underneath each sidebar handle on the carpeted side of the cart. Screw the bolts directly into the sidebars. Flip the base onto the casters and insert two large bolts with the fasteners into a large hole. Screw in one of the sides and fasten with a wrench. Repeat this step on the other side railing. Attach the top crossbar using screws and a wrench. Then tighten and fasten all screws and bolts. Your Bellman cart is now assembled and ready to be used.